Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and I'm going to be showing you on our 2007 Mazda 6 2.3 liter. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the airbox as an assembly and reassemble it. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below or head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to pinch down on the mass airflow sensor connector and release it from the mass airflow sensor. It just pushes in here on this airbox cover. Just guide the harness out. We need to disconnect the air injection hose. So these two blue tabs, they have ears on them, so you squeeze them together and twist the hose off. I'm going to disconnect the clamp on the throttle body to the airbox. That air tube is connected to the air filter housing, and that is a 10mm socket I'm using. Just need to loosen it up enough so that we can wiggle that hose off. Once the air hose is disconnected from the throttle body, this whole airbox is mounted on rubber bushings down below. Just grab it firmly and lift up. So you can see the 3 ears that push into the rubber bushings, and that's just gonna pop right in. If you have any lubricating spray, like a penetrating spray or anything, just give it a shot to the rubber bushings. It'll help the plastic just get snapped down a lot easier. Now I have the air intake hose to the throttle body. I'm going to slide that on, and now I know that these are all lined up. I'm going to just snap it down. And that's how easy it was, because I pre-sprayed the rubber. Here is an emission tube from the valve cover. Line up the blue locks, just snap it on. And then we're going to just tighten the clamp on the throttle body, and then plug in our mass airflow sensor. So the clamp on the air breather tube is a 10mm. You can also use a Phillips. Just snug that down. Then we have a connector for the mass airflow sensor. Gonna connect that, let it snap. Click. It did snap in, you just didn't hear it. And this actually has a guide. Put it on the other side of that clamp. But see the little ear here? So they want you to put that harness in, which is a good idea. Stop it from rubbing and wear into the wires. So there you have it, we're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.